What's going on, guys? Three Wheels in a Block back again, and it's time to detail a Ford Escape. So we got this Ford Escape client dropped off, and it is pretty dirty. Give you guys a full walk around, show you exactly what we're working with. Then we're going to jump in and take care of cleaning up the interior. And then we'll get it washed up and see what we can do with this paint. And we'll also take care of this engine bay. So, without further ado, let's get to it. What is it, Ellie? What's wrong, Ellie?
Fix it.
You want to fix it?
Yes.
Well, I'm just cleaning it right now. Yeah, well, I'm over here detailing this vehicle. Miss Abigail's over here detailing her Jeep. You say hi, Abby?
Hi.
She's washing the interior and the exterior. Look at that. Doing a good job.
I help you, Daddy. What's your Jeep?
Good job, Abby. All right, back over here on the Escape. You can see I was literally scrubbing the paint here. There's a lot of buildup that's on the surface of the paint. I'm using a very soft scrub pad, and to give you an idea of the difference, up top here you can see where the dirty side and the clean side. So this stuff does not just wipe off, it doesn't spray off. So I've got to scrub this stuff to get it loose. So that's what's going on up here. I'm gonna get back to it. You want to go be a cow?
Yeah.
You're silly. You don't want to be a cow.
A big cow.
You want to be a big cow?
No, you're a big cow.
I'm a big cow.
Yeah,
I am not a big cow.
I'm a big cow.
Mommy is not a big cow.
I'm a big cow.
Ellie's a big cow?
Yes, she is.
Is Abby a big cow?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm a big cow. I'm a small cow.
Ellie's a small cow?
Yes, she is.
Oh, okay.
I saw a donkey.
You saw a donkey?
Yes, you're a donkey.
I'm a donkey.
Yes, you are.
Oh my goodness, I didn't know I was a donkey. Alright, walk around after we got all the soap off. Quite the difference. These little black spots are actually bugs that have landed on there, but that's okay. The paint is now shining. So we're going to take it inside and we'll start to do a little bit of, put a little coat of wax on this thing. See how much of the paint luster we can bring back. This is wet, so I'm sure as it dries the paint will probably flatten out a little bit. Look at all that dirt still running out of there. That is incredible. Wow. Alright, we'll take a peek under the hood. See what it looks like under there. Alright, so we're looking a lot better under the hood. Got a lot of that filth and dirt up out of here. So we're going to go ahead and blow the rest of this water off. Then we'll do a final detail under the engine bay and start on the interior.